Hey guys, subscribe to the name Simi Menon, and I'm Rishabh Menon here, and I'm gonna show you about my two guns which I have. And this is my first video, so don't expect that I've done 1,000 videos. So just hit the like button every video I do, and if you like it, subscribe and ring the bell so you can get all the notifications. So first, I'm gonna show you my Falcon Fire. So usually it's a sniper type gun. We can shoot, we can aim, and we have to reload like this and like this. And so we aim and shoot. So this thing has make sure if you buy this gun, for me it doesn't go where the place I aim, but you know why? Because you see this line in here, this line, it shouldn't be up, it should be down like this. So because when the bullet shoots, it stops it and doesn't go in force. So we have to push it back. We have to push it back, then we can put it back. If we do it like so slowly, like this, it won't come. So push it back and push it front, aim, and make sure this line is lying down, okay, lying down, not like this. So aim and shoot, and that's all I know about my Falcon Fire. And I'm gonna show you my Disruptor. So all about this gun is this gun has a revolver but a nice aimer. It has a nice aimer like this, it has a nice aimer, and when we reload, we shoot, the revolver moves like this. So we place all the 6 bullets, and then when we shoot, 1 bullet goes and the revolver comes like this. So when we shoot, the next bullet gets ready. And I don't know what is this for. If we do, we can hold like this or like this. If we lose back, if we are scratching anywhere, okay, it fell. But or we can, I don't know what is this for. I don't know. So we can keep some scope or optical, and that's all I know about my two guns, Falcon Fire and Disruptor. And see you in the next video. Don't forget and write a comment down below, and just like this video and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.